Today we will show you another homemade DIY raw carrot or gajar face pack that we can apply for oily, dry or all skin types. This common winter vegetable can be a great skincare ingredient to get glowing, spots-free skin just sitting at home. While cutting carrots, there is something to be said about the nutritional value of carrots. Carrots are rich in beta carotene, vitamin C, potassium, and more. Potassium-rich carrots deeply moisturizes the layers of our skin and makes it glow. It is true that we can buy products from the market very quickly and apply them very easily. To make face mask from this type of fruits or vegetables takes a little extra time to create, but this little extra effort we should give to our soft skin so that it needs no chemical makeup to glow. Our goal should not be the skin whitening, rather a healthy, moisturized, wrinkle-free and spotless glowing skin should be our desire. You can apply carrot paste on your face, but today we are going to make face pack with carrot juice. You can drink carrot juice sometimes if you want. It's also true that it's not just the outer skin that needs to be taken care of. Eating good natural food, organic food, not eating oily food or junk food is also equally important for our skin. Today we will make a small bowl of juice. You can make more juice if you want to increase the amount of your face pack, but keep the ratio of all the ingredients same as shown here. There is nothing more to say about the benefits of these simple DIY face packs which we have shown in our channel if you apply routinely. Now we will add 1 spoon of curd or yogurt with the juice. It is very useful in fading the pigmentation from our skin. The best part is curd has a moisturizing effect which is also very useful for oily skin. Besan or chickpea powder acts as a cleansing agent for the skin. We are adding 1 to 2 spoons of this gram flour to make our face mask. You can add more until you get this type of smooth paste. Now mix all the ingredients well, then apply on your face and wait until it dries. This natural carrot juice face pack will surely give you benefits if you use it routinely. Get the naturally beautiful skin at home. It's so simple.